What's up guys, so Samsung has officially announced the world's first 200 megapixel sensor, the ISOCELL HP1. HP1 is indeed a full-blooded 200 megapixel sensor. It brings a brand new chameleon cell technology, which you may be thinking, what the hell is that? It's actually a dual binning mode tech. So this sensor has a 2x2 pixel binning mode for 50 megapixel photos and a 4x4 pixel binning mode for those 12.5 megapixel images. There's also going to be a dedicated 200 megapixel mode at 0.64 micrometer pixel size. The sensor also supports 8K video recording with 30 FPS, 4K video recording at 120 frames per second. It's definitely a full-on flagship sensor. Now considering all the tech that is packing, it's not a huge sensor. Still, this won't be used on the S22 Ultra as per latest leaks. Samsung will be bringing a new updated 108 megapixel sensor for its own flagship. So who's going to use the ISOCELL HP1? Well, Xiaomi is going to be the first brand using this sensor on their Mi 12 flagship phone. Now along with this, Samsung also officially announced the ISOCELL GN5, which by its number, it sounds like a successor to the ISOCELL GN1, but actually it's just a smaller version of the ISOCELL GN1, still packing the same specs, but with a crazy ultra-fast autofocus technology. I'm actually very excited about the ISOCELL GN5 because I really hope to see this sensor on next Galaxy A series in 2022. Also in the news, we have some breaking news regarding the Galaxy S21 FE. It seems like it's going to be delayed. According to John Prosser, the launch of this phone is actually slipped till October 29th. That is quite far away and pretty close to the S22 series launch, which is going to happen in the month of January. This potential delay could be because of the global chip shortage. According to South Korean media, Samsung has initially planned up to 10 million units for the S21 FE, and now we're just gonna see up to 3 million units.